Food connects us to memories, places, and people. Every bite can transport us back to a family gathering, a bustling street market, or a cozy dinner with friends. The meals we share become part of our stories, weaving together culture, tradition, and love. But food can also connect us to a healthier self, helping us feel energized, balanced, and strong. The right ingredients can nourish both body and soul, making every meal an opportunity for wellness. Forget the myth that healthy means bland or boring. Healthy eating can be a celebration of taste, color, and texture, never a sacrifice. Asian cuisine is proof that you can eat well and still enjoy vibrant, satisfying flavors. With the right recipes, you can savor every bite and feel good about it. Today, we're making 10 quick seafood and noodle bowls, each one light, healthy, and packed with authentic taste. These dishes are inspired by the best of Asian cooking, designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Think sizzling shrimp, delicate fish, and fragrant herbs, all in meals that nourish and delight. Each bowl is a feast for the senses, bursting with freshness and flavor. These recipes are perfect for busy nights when you want something fast, delicious, and wholesome, or when you want something special without the guilt. Meals that feel indulgent but are actually good for you. Let's get cooking and see how easy it is to create beautiful, satisfying meals that support your wellness goals. You'll be amazed at how simple healthy eating can be. Craving Asian food but want to stay fit? You don't have to choose between flavor and fitness. Let's fire up the wok and dive in. Your journey to delicious, healthy eating starts right now. We kick off with a classic garlic and ginger shrimp stir-fry. This dish is a staple in many kitchens for a reason. It's quick, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Shrimp brings lean protein, while baby broccoli adds crunch and nutrients. Together, they create a balanced meal that's both delicious and nutritious. The secret? Prep everything first. Mise en place makes stir-frying fast and stress-free. Having all your ingredients ready to go ensures a smooth cooking process. You only need a teaspoon of olive oil. Get your pan hot, then add the aromatics for a punch of flavor. The sizzling sound is your cue that the pan is ready. Garlic and ginger infuse every bite, making the dish rich and complex without extra calories. These aromatics are the heart of the dish, providing depth and warmth. Toss in shrimp and broccoli. Watch the colors pop as they cook in minutes. The vibrant hues are not just visually appealing, but also a sign of the nutrients packed inside. This is high-protein, low-fat eating that's anything but boring. Each bite is a perfect blend of textures and flavors. The result? A vibrant, quick meal that's as exciting as it is healthy. It's a dish that proves healthy eating can be both delicious and fun. Serve it up and enjoy a dish that fuels your body and satisfies your cravings. Perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Simple, fast, and delicious. Healthy eating never tasted so good. This stir-fry is a testament to how easy it can be to eat well. Ready for the next bowl? Let's keep going. There's always room for more delicious and nutritious meals. Stir-fry done right is pure flavor and pure energy. It's a quick, easy way to enjoy a wholesome meal. Next, we head to Japan for a lighter take on miso-glazed salmon. Salmon is loaded with protein and omega-3s, great for heart and brain health. The glazed miso, a touch of marine and soy sauce, broiled to a caramelized finish. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa for extra fiber and nutrients. Top with steamed edamame or crisp cucumber for freshness and crunch. Every layer supports your health goals. No empty fillers here. This bowl is balanced, nourishing, and full of umami. Healthy eating, Japanese style, never looked or tasted better. Let's move on to our next flavor-packed bowl. Now, a taste of Thailand. Spicy Thai basil squid stir-fry. Thai holy basil and fresh chilies bring heat and fragrance, waking up your palate. The secret to tender squid? High heat, short cooking, just a minute or two. Stir-fry garlic and chilies, add veggies, then toss in squid and basil for a final burst of flavor. The result? Tender squid, crisp veggies, and a bold aromatic sauce. It's light, low in fat, and metabolism boosting thanks to the chilies. This isn't diet food, it's just great food, fast. Enjoy a bowl that's spicy, satisfying, and totally guilt-free. Thai street food made healthy at home. Ready for more? Let's keep the flavors coming. Our next stop is Vietnam, where we dive into a fresh, vibrant grilled prawn noodle bowl that's bursting with color and flavor. This dish is a true reflection of Vietnamese cuisine, light, healthy, and full of contrasting textures. Start by marinating plump prawns in a mixture of garlic, fish sauce, and a touch of black pepper. Let them soak up all those savory flavors before grilling them until they're perfectly charred and smoky, with just the right hint of sweetness. Next, layer the grilled prawns over a bed of cool, silky rice vermicelli noodles. Add a generous handful of crisp lettuce for freshness and crunch. Top with a colorful mix of bean sprouts, sweet julienne carrots, and refreshing cucumber slices. These veggies add a satisfying crunch and a burst of natural sweetness. Don't forget a big handful of fresh mint and cilantro. These herbs bring a fragrant, zesty lift that makes every bite pop. For the dressing, whip up a classic nuoc cham, just fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, and chili. It's tangy, savory, and spicy, tying everything together without any added sugar. Every mouthful is a perfect balance of warm, juicy prawns, cool noodles, and crisp, fresh veggies, all coated in that irresistible dressing. This bowl is naturally light, gluten-free, and loaded with protein from the prawns and fiber from all those veggies. It's a celebration of freshness, balance, and vibrant flavors. Each ingredient shines in its own way. Vietnamese cuisine at its healthiest and most delicious, showing how simple ingredients can create something truly special. This noodle bowl is perfect for lunch or dinner, refreshing, filling, and completely guilt-free, so you can enjoy it anytime. There's so much more to discover in Asian cuisine, with endless flavors and combinations waiting to be explored. Let's keep the journey going. On to the next delicious bowl. Time for a bold Szechuan crab stir-fry, fiery, tingly, and light. Szechuan peppercorns and chilies create a unique, numbing heat. Use fresh or lump crab meat. Stir-fry quickly over high heat to keep it tender. The sauce is light, just soy, vinegar, and broth, so the crab and spices shine. Toast the peppercorns for maximum aroma, then toss everything together fast. Serve with steamed veggies for a complete, healthy meal. This dish is all about big flavor, not big calories. Szechuan cuisine, reimagined for your wellness goals. Ready for a cool down? Let's head to Japan. Cool off with Japanese cold soba and seared scallops. Soba noodles made from buckwheat are nutty, high in fiber, and gluten-free. Chill the noodles for a perfect chewy texture. Sear dry scallops in a hot pan for a golden crust and tender center. Dip noodles in a light tsuyu sauce, dashi, low-sodium soy, and mirin. Top with nori and enjoy with sweet seared scallops. It's a mindful, interactive meal. Simple, elegant, and refreshing. Healthy Japanese cuisine at its finest. Perfect for warm days or when you crave something light. Let's spiral into our next bowl. Soba and scallops. Pure, refined satisfaction. Craving comfort? Try this light Singapore laksa with zucchini noodles. Swap full-fat coconut milk for light coconut milk to keep the broth creamy but lean. Spiralized zucchini replaces rice noodles, lowering carbs and calories. The broth is fragrant with lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, and chilies. Add shrimp and fish balls for protein, or tofu puffs for a plant-based twist. Assemble zoodles, hot broth, protein, and fresh bean sprouts. Garnish with cilantro, lime, and a touch of sambal for heat. All the flavor, none of the guilt. Laksa reimagined for healthy living. Comfort food, made light and fresh. Ready for a classic Cantonese dish? Let's steam ahead. Laksa, the healthy way. Experience pure, clean eating with Cantonese steamed fish. Use the freshest white fish, sea bass, snapper, or flounder. Steam with ginger and scallions for delicate flavor and moist texture. No oil needed, just gentle, healthy cooking. Finish with a splash of hot oil and low-sodium soy over fresh scallions for aroma and taste. This dish is all about letting the fish shine. Elegant, light, and packed with protein. A show-stopping meal that's as healthy as it is beautiful. Simple technique, maximum flavor. Steamed fish, the ultimate in healthy Asian comfort. Let's turn up the heat with our next bowl. Now, a fiery Korean classic, spicy octopus stir-fry. Octopus is lean, high in protein, and quick to cook. Just a fast stir-fry keeps it tender. Gochujang chili paste brings heat and umami with minimal calories. Load up on veggies, onion, cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, for crunch and fiber. Stir-fry everything together for a vibrant, satisfying meal. Serve solo or with a little brown rice for balance. This dish is bold, energizing, and metabolism-boosting. Korean flavors, made healthy and fast. Perfect for spice lovers on a wellness journey. Let's finish with a fresh, fruity finale. And on a bright note with Vietnamese mango and shrimp noodle salad. Sweet shrimp and juicy mango are the stars, light, protein-rich, and refreshing. Toss with rice vermicelli, crisp veggies, and loads of fresh herbs. The dressing is simple. Fish sauce, lime, garlic, and chili. No added sugar needed. Mango's natural sweetness balances everything perfectly. Top with roasted peanuts for crunch and healthy fats. Every bite is a burst of color, flavor, and nutrition. This salad is summer in a bowl, light, filling, and joyful. Healthy eating, Vietnamese style, at its most delicious. Let's wrap up our journey. That's 10 quick, healthy Asian seafood and noodle bowls, each one bursting with flavor. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up the foods you love. It's about smart swaps and fresh ingredients. These recipes fit busy lives and help you feel your best. Cooking for yourself is self-care, especially when it's this delicious. Try these ideas, make them your own, and keep exploring healthy Asian cooking. Subscribe for more recipes and join our journey to cook smart, eat fresh, and stay fit. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep cooking.